If I gotta pack a bag, these are coming with me type thing.
No basic zone.
Stushy English girl Stushy back with another video. If you are a new subscriber, then welcome to my channel. My name is Stushy. Be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you can officially become a part of the Stush gang, and also ring that bell. It's right next to the subscribe button so that way you're alerted whenever I upload a new video. So if you're a real OG true SG Stush gang, then you know in the last video I had this on. In the last video I was wearing this. I did go ahead and pop in some hoops though, because I'm tired of my mother, if I'm being honest. I'm tired of my mother telling me that I look like a little boy in the videos when I don't have earrings in, so I went and popped these on just for her. Okay, I'm over it. Okay, so yeah, I did go ahead and pop these hoops on, but I did film another video prior to this one, you know, wearing this, but don't judge me. So today I'm going to be sharing the top 10 items that I cannot live without. I would not survive without these 10 items in my makeup kit. So if you're interested in watching, if you're interested in figuring out what are the 10 items that I can't live without, I cannot survive without in my makeup kit, then keep on watching. So real quick, just like with the last video, if you haven't seen that one, go check it out. It is an entrepreneur video, but yeah, just like the last video, I am wearing my lashes from my lash brand CAPRIAL NYC. If you are new, I do have my very own lash brand. The link is always listed down below in the description box, but I'm wearing my lashes in the signature style. This is the style CAPRIAL, and I'm also wearing Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb in the shade Hot Chocolate. Since I've told you guys that the very first item on the list, these are also in no particular order, I did just want to put that out there. These are all items that, girl, if I gotta pack a bag, these are coming with me type thing. So the very first thing, and I just mentioned it, is my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is the style Hot Chocolate. So fun fact, if you don't follow Fenty Beauty, if you're not in tune with what's going on over on that side, over on Rihanna's side, her beauty side, then she does have a collection of gloss bombs. This one initially came out in her holiday set with, I want to say, like 3 other ones. I think it was 3 or 4 other ones, and I didn't purchase the holiday set just because I really just like having the full size of lip glosses. I feel like I run through miniature lip glosses very quickly. I haven't purchased a miniature lip gloss since like MAC Cosmetics, if I'm being honest. So I never got around to purchasing the holiday set, but luckily she came out with Hot Chocolate, which was in the holiday set in a full size. And girl, I thought that Fenty Glow was my favorite gloss bomb until this came out like in full size. This is bomb. Like, I'm wearing it on my lips right now. I feel like this complements the average chocolate gal so well. It looks great on all skin tones, I will say that. Like, I've seen it on every single skin tone and it looks amazing, but I feel like she made this for the girls. She made this for the culture. If you don't own any gloss bombs, I would highly recommend, if you had to choose one, get Hot Chocolate. She is bomb. Ride or die. POC, partner in crime. I love her. If I were allowed to only wear 2 things, it would be lashes and lip gloss, and this one is the one that I'm bringing with me. Next thing that I cannot live without is a brown lip liner. Chocolate girls, brown girls, this is your friend. Okay, if you want to rock any lippy or majority of lippies, this is your friend. You need a good brown lip liner. This is the one that I currently use. This is the NYX lip liner. Lip liner in the shade Espresso. I don't know if the NYX has this online, but you can always just pick up the brown one that they have. These are super affordable compared to like a MAC or, you know, any other brands that are selling lip liners. I've never purchased any lip liner over $10. I'm not gonna do it because I feel as though these are just as effective as the high-end ones, and though the high-end ones may last a little bit longer, I'm not mad. I can wait.
While Patchy pulls himself together.
Sorry about that. Okay. What was I saying? As I was saying, I'm not mad about this. I don't mind reapplying my lip liner. These last for a while too. But in the event that you are eating and stuff like that, you can always touch up. Just bring it in your bag. It's not like bulky or anything. It's literally a pencil. So these are my go-to. I always buy NYX lip liners. I just am not gonna buy a high-end lip liner. Just not gonna do it. If you got the coins to purchase a high-end lip liner, then that shit. While we're on the topic of liners, the next thing that I cannot live without is a good eyeliner. Now this is a felt tip liquid eyeliner. This is from Kat Von D. This is Trooper. This is the mini one. I got this from Sephora. I want to say in like a set something. I forgot how I got this. I don't remember what I got, what I purchased to get it. I've purchased the full size maybe 3 times already. I absolutely love this liner from Cap on D. This is usually what I'm using if I am drawing a black wing. And I really enjoy the tip because I feel like it allows you to really get in there in the inner corners, and also allows you to flick the tip. Flick the tip, you know. My hand is scratching me. Hopefully I'm getting some money. Let me clap it real quick. Am I the only person that if your hand scratches you think you get money? Do you clap it, or do you like put it in your pocket? I know some people put it in their pocket. Am I the only one that believes in that? Am I superstitious for that? Are you guys superstitious? Do you guys believe in that? Let me know down below. The next thing that I stand for is a really good brow product. So I did put out a updated brow tutorial for you guys recently. I want to say maybe like 3 or 4 videos ago, and I mentioned my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade. This has lasted me for a while. Can you guys see that? I know you guys can see that. It's damn near, well, it's not empty, but you see the pan. I could touch that and that's pan, okay? This lasts me for a while. I want to say I've had this for over a year. I believe this is $23. It lasts you longer than a normal brow pencil would. I've purchased her brow wizzes. I really enjoy her brow wizzes as well. I've also purchased Benefit's brow pencils. The goof proof is one of my favorites. But if I want something that's gonna last for brows, I'm going with the pomade, and that's what I used to do my brows today. That's what I've been using in all my previous videos. This, if I'm packing, if I have to pack a bag, she's coming with me. There are some days, especially if you're on like vacation and stuff like that, and you don't want to do the whole full face, brow, liner, lip gloss, this is all you need, boo. This is really all you need. Sephora deserves a medal for this, I'm not gonna lie. The Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, this is mine. This is the shade 56 Deep Mahogany. This is my second one. My first one, I hit pan. I had it for over a year. This is $22, I believe. I should know the prices because I work there. But I believe it retails for $22, and this lasts for a while. Similar to the MAC... Ooh, what is that MAC powder called? I had that before too. I used to buy that all the time. But I feel like the MAC powder is a lot more expensive. I think it's Skin Finish. I think that's what the MAC powder was called. But the Micro Smooth powder, I love. After I finish contouring and setting my face with powder, I like to sweep my face with the Micro Smooth. I just feel like it literally smooths, it smooths everything out, and I just feel like it's a really great finishing product to have in your kit. I love her. It lasts for a while. I love when my products last. I hate having to keep going back to the store for the same thing, you know. I feel like $22 is not that bad. It's gonna last me a year. The next thing that I want to highlight is a powder, and I want to say I got into bronzer maybe 2 years ago or so. And prior to me trying this one, I was using, I think it was like a contour powder, but I was using it for like bronzer, and a lot of these things can be used interchangeably. If you know, you know. I think I was using a sleek powder prior for my bronzer. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. I am in the shade Mahogany. I love this bronzer. I used it today, and real quick, let me know how you guys are feeling my makeup. I did use some old MAC foundations that I found in my IKEA storage. I didn't use my normal NARS foundation, so let me know how you guys are feeling the face. But back to what I was saying, I did use my Mahogany bronzer from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I love her. I've had her, I really want to say I've had her for over a year. Like, I've had her for a little while. I love her. I also have the Fenty Beauty bronzer. I've mentioned that before, in the shade Coco Naughty, but if I had to choose between the two, sorry Rihanna, you know I love you, Navy Gang or die, but I'm going with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now I'm gonna look for the Stush Gang when I say this. I really am. I really am gonna look for the Stush Gang when I say this, because y'all should know that this was gonna be on the list. You guys should have known. The next thing would definitely have to be a nude lipstick. Definitely. This one is from MAC. This one is in the shade Blankety. It is the amplified lipstick. It's such a really nice matte. I feel like it goes on nice and smooth, and I feel like it works well for all of my lip combos, all of my nude lip combos. This works all the time. I really enjoy MAC lipsticks. Is anyone still out there using MAC lipsticks? Are we still using MAC? But nonetheless, I love their lipsticks. I always will love their lipsticks. I have a ton of their lipsticks. I don't wear them as often, but if I had to pick up a MAC lipstick, it's going to be a nude, because I'm a nude gal. I always am wearing nudes. This is more of a nude for my skin tone. We all know that nudes vary based on your skin. I love nudes. I love a great nude lip combo. This is also one of my favorite nudes. This bullet is so cute. Do you guys see that? It's from MAC as well, but this is the MAC and Mariah Carey collaboration. The packaging is extraordinary, but this is limited edition, so I'm sure you guys are not going to be able to find this. This one is in the shade Bit of Bubbly. It is the cream sheen, and this one goes on amazing as well. Now, I'm not the only person that loves a good highlighter, loves a good glow. I know that there are a few people that are over the whole highlighter fad, but I still very much love a good highlighter. This is the Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. You guys have seen me use this time and time again. I actually used that shade today to highlight my face, but this is a great highlighter kit. You have 4 highlighters in one. You don't have to draw for 3 different highlighters to highlight your face. You can do it all with one palette. If I had to choose one, if I had to pack one, this one would be the one that I'm bringing. I do like a lot of other highlighters from Fenty Beauty and stuff, but this, I have 4 in 1. It gets no better than that. Setting spray. Now, if you watch one of my recent uploads where I did a haul of some of the things that I purchased from Ulta, then you know that I picked up this one. This is from the Saweetie and Morphe collaboration. This is their continuous setting mist in the Sweet Peach. And this one does smell like peach when you spray it all over the face. I've said it before, I really love the Morphe setting sprays. This is my first time actually purchasing any of their flavored or scented ones. I usually just purchase the black continuous setting mist. And I've tried other setting sprays, but I feel like no one really measures up to Morphe. Look at the mist that comes out of this. It's just a nice clean spray. Y'all see that? It's just a nice clean spray. I'm not gonna spray it again because I'll be wasting product. Compared to some of the other sprays that are on the market, this just sprays really nice and clean, and it's such a refreshing feeling on your face. So I'm definitely packing my Morphe setting spray. She is a ride or die. It helps to melt all those powders down, gets rid of that powdery look after putting on, you know, all those powders. Sometimes it can be a lot. This has been featured in a few of my other videos. I've spoken about this before, so you guys should know. Laneige Sleeping Mask. This one is in the flavor Hot Mint Chocolate, and it literally smells like peppermint. That's exactly what it smells like. Okay, it literally smells just like peppermint. It doesn't matter the flavor. I love all of their lip masks. I use this as just a lip balm. There are times that I'll just put this on my lip with a full face and you will think that I have a lip gloss on because I apply a good amount. Okay, so it looks like I have a very light layer of clear lip gloss, but I love this. It keeps my lips moisturized. It doesn't wear off. This you don't have to worry about reapplying and reapplying and reapplying. It lasts for a while. You can use them at nighttime because it is a lip mask. You're supposed to use it in the nighttime, but I've mentioned before that I use this as my lip balm when I wake up, before I put on my makeup, while I'm putting on my makeup, when I go to sleep. I don't know how I was living prior to me having this product. Seriously, I'm just being honest. I really don't know how. And I know I said 10 things, but it wouldn't hurt to throw in a bonus item, would it? And you guys had to know that this was coming. I mean, I gotta promote my brand at the end of the day, as I should. The last thing that I cannot live without. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, girl, you're about to find out today. You're gonna learn today. Alright, alright, alright. But no, seriously. CAPRIAL NYC lashes, and I'm not saying this. I feel like everyone says this when it's their business, but I'm being so truthful. I'm being so truthful when I say this. I'm not saying this because it's my business. Like, I will promote it even if it weren't my business. Half of these products I'm promoting and they're not mine. But really and truly, I cannot live without my lashes. I'm wearing, as I mentioned before, the style CAPRIAL today, the signature style. I feel as though the styles that I've picked out can be worn on a lot of different people. They can be worn with a lot of different looks. They can be worn even if you're not wearing makeup. So I really love all of my lash styles. And I've purchased lashes from other brands, from other people, from the drugstore. And when I touch the boxes, everything gets dirty. It's just a mess. And I'm speaking from previous experiences. Obviously, I have my own business now. I hate seeing makeup all over something. It really grinds my gears. Like, it's one of my pet peeves when makeup is just all over a nice white lash box or a nice pink lash box. So when I designed my boxes, I knew from the jump that I wanted my boxes to be black because I wanted to ensure that the package wouldn't get as dirty as, say, a white box or something like that. So that's one of the other reasons why I really love my lashes and why I really love the packaging for my lashes. And of course, we popped some pink in there because my favorite color is pink. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Those are all the makeup items that I cannot live without. I gave you guys an extra one because, you know, I like to be extra. I like to throw in a little extra, a little something special for you guys. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. If you've made it this far, let me know down below what's one item, just one. Don't list 5. What's one item that you cannot live without? If you had to choose one, and I can't choose one, so I'm gonna make you choose one. But if you had to choose one, what's one makeup item that you could not live without? I want to know down below. If you made it this far and you aren't a part of the gang as yet, sis, please hit that subscribe button so that way you can officially become a part of the gang. And also ring the bell that's right next to the subscribe button so that way you're alerted whenever I upload. You guys know that I love you, but I'll tell you guys again, I love you guys. And until next time, until the next post, until the next upload, I'll see you guys later. Bye. But I didn't get my hands on it, but I did I didn't go ahead. This is from the Morphe and the Sweet. This is from the Saweetie and Morphe collab. I know there are a few people that are over the whole highlighter fat. I know there are a few people that are over the whole eyeliner. I know there are a few people that are over the whole eye. With this, you don't have to reapply time and time. With this, you don't have to work. But there are a few people that are kind of like over the whole tuning into today's video. Until next, it's thumbnail time. That's right, it's thumbnail time. Hey, I'm Charmin Clean. That's right, I'm Charmin Clean.